The landscape has changed. Routines have been uprooted. The effects of COVID have dealt us all a big blow, knocking our community down, but not out. A time like this is when you see the real character of this city. The citizens of the St. Louis region are a gritty, resourceful, and compassionate bunch. We are all united to care for our community and the people in it. That's what we've always done, and this crisis is no different. Now, more than ever, we are all connected. When one of us hurts, we all hurt. But when one of us stands to help, we are all lifted. United, we can put food in hungry bellies, roofs over heads, and keep the lights on for those in the dark. When we work together, we can secure a mother and her child a safe place to stay, get a loving teacher for a preschooler whose parents must work, provide job training to better someone's life. Together, with United Way, we create that safety net to catch our neighbors and bounce them back up. We provide critical services, but much more than that. We restore dignity, instill self-worth, and plant a seed of hope. Make no mistake, when we are united, we will come out of this stronger and more determined to create a better, more equitable future for us all. We are all united. Unite with us.